Alrighty, I'm going to get some tools and start a stripping. Now, brown cow, we've got a spit pin in here. You might get a rattle gun. Alright, exit wheel. Alright, you're basically right to go. Oh, the old quick action throttle. I think the throttle cable's seen better days. Oh, she just sort of works. It was a cheap quick action throttle, but it worked well. Now, the old starter button. When I wired it, it had, this was all heat shrunk, one piece, everything was soldered together. Looks a bit taped up and gnarly at the minute, but we'll see what happens. I've got to try and get it off without disconnecting too much because I don't really have a wiring diagram for it, and I don't want to spend 40 million hours trying to work out how to rewire it. Someone's glued that there by the feel of it. Let's see if I can cut the glue or do something. The air pressure switch here, and a little lunch box. There's the high-tech way of stopping that getting wrecked. Did the job. Still there. I remember a little trick with this was fitting these little washers in here and spacing it so basically made it change faster. Removed some of the slop the cylinder had to take out, so the shifts were that touch quicker. Picked up about half a tenth or something just with that. An old MRE bottle. Alright, all down, pretty much bare. What do we have in here? That's it, nearly a bare frame. Alright, done. Alright, so this is what we have to play with now. Clean all this stuff up, good enough as a bit of a display thing, and that'll do.